Today, I'm going to show you how to print Google Forms. Whether you need a physical copy for distribution or want to save your form as a PDF for sharing, this process will help you get your form ready in just a few clicks. First, open your web browser and navigate to forms.google.com. Once you're there, you'll need to sign in with your credentials if you haven't already. This will bring you to your Google Forms dashboard where all your created forms are stored and easily accessible. Now, in your Google Forms dashboard, look for the section labeled Recent Forms. This displays the forms you've been working on most recently. Browse through and click on the specific form you want to print. This will open the form and give you access to all its editing and management options. With your form now open, direct your attention to the upper right panel of the screen. Here, you'll see an icon with 3 dotted lines, also known as the More Options menu. Click on this icon and a drop-down menu will appear with various actions you can perform. From this menu, select Print. This opens up the Print dialog window where you can customize how your form will be printed. In the Print dialog, you'll notice a section labeled Destination. This controls where your document will be sent, whether that's a physical printer or a digital format. Click the drop-down menu next to Destination and select Microsoft Print to PDF. This option is particularly useful if you want to save your form as a PDF file instead of printing it on paper. If you need more output options, you can click See More to view additional destinations and printing services available on your system. Next, let's customize what gets printed. Navigate to the section labeled Pages and click the drop-down menu beside it. Here, you can specify whether you want to print all pages or just select specific ones. This gives you control over exactly what content appears in your final output. You'll also want to adjust the layout options to ensure your form looks exactly how you want it. Click the drop-down menu beside Layout and you'll see options for how the content is arranged on the page. Choose the layout setting that best suits your needs, whether that's portrait or landscape orientation. Another important customization is color. Navigate to the Color option and click the drop-down menu. Here, you can select either color or black and white. If you're printing on a physical printer, choosing black and white can save ink, while color might be better for PDF copies where presentation matters. Once you've configured all your settings to your liking, simply click Print. Your form will now either be sent to your chosen printer or saved as a PDF file in your designated location. This gives you a physical or digital copy of your Google form that you can distribute, archive, or share as needed. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.